Hey, what's up? This is the VanTop 4K review mirror. It's not really a dash cam, but I guess you can call that if you want. Super clean. Look at that. The camera's right there. It has a special mount. This is a bracket off of eBay. And this is actually it on right now. So that's actually behind me, and you can actually see what is that to the left, that old school Sienna, to the right, that trash can or recycle bin. So if I actually look back here, normally I wouldn't be able to see that unless I kind of like turn my head there, and I wouldn't even be able to see that Sienna. But here's the cool thing is that you can actually see that here, and then you can also turn this off. And then what you see behind there is limited, but I mean, it still works. So I got a little Miata, so it's harder to see out. But with this, you get extra views. All right. And then, so let's say if I have my top down, right? And then so you can see my soft top cover is kind of blocking the view. I could just actually angle this up and down. I mean, same thing with the front. Oh, this actually has both views, the front and the back. This one's the front. I can also go up and down here. So it's really nice. For the rear view camera, I have it mounted here. It's just taped on with some electrical tapes and zip ties. I'm gonna do a custom 3D print there, so it's gonna look real clean afterwards. So when it's super sunny and there's glare, you can actually just still see behind you because the mirror is still gonna work. And then I normally have it on though. So let's see what it looks like from outside.